Hello, hello. Hello, hello. Live stream number 95. Hope everybody's doing good today. Righty. All right, let's get right into it. Make sure everything is working here. Mic is working. Okay. All right, looks like we're all good. All right, so let's go ahead and see what we got. First, let's look at the news here. Thursday the 13th, my lucky number. It is a bank holiday on the NZD, or in New Zealand. New Zealand banks will be closed in observance of Matariki. What's that? Okay, I don't know what Matariki is. The NZD is not a super huge, impactful currency, so it shouldn't make too much of a difference. We do have some heavy news on the USD for the New York session. So I'll be on the lookout for that. That news for the New York session definitely caused the London session yesterday to be a lot slower than usual. And we have some Euro group meetings. People are discussing a range of financial issues. Okay. This should be fine. I don't think it's going to be too much of a disturbance in the price action or anything. Okay. Go ahead and check. Yeah, the dollar came crashing down. No surprise there. It was already too heavy of a downtrend for it to do much else. So I pretty much broke even yesterday. I think I lost like 200 or something. So it's just like pretty much a break-even day after all that work. I had a really good week last week. This week has not been so great. Check the yen. Yen looks like it's still coming up. Yen index. The franc is still coming up. The couple of trades that I did win yesterday were really good. The U franc in particular, this was a really good trade here. I did not have time to do the recap today, so I'm just going to do a weekly recap on the weekend. I'm not going to have time tomorrow either. But this was a really good trade here. And that odd NZD, this was also a really good trade. Could have actually went a little further, and it was good on the way down too. But I was already sleeping at that point, so I couldn't catch it on the way back down. So yeah, definitely some good trades yesterday. Definitely made some mistakes too. I would say this is a double top, but it's the first touch to the 21 on the hourly chart. which means it probably has some more room to go up, or at least consolidate for a little bit. So I'm going to leave that alone. On NZD, probably is on its way back up. Daily chart though, it does have some room to come down on the daily, so I might leave that one alone too. MKKM, how's it going? Okay, let's check the majors. I need to actually make some money today. That's what needs to happen. So as usual, I'm going to go for 1200. If I can get more, even better. But I'm definitely okay with just 1200. The backside dollar pairs are still going up. No surprise there. Looks like the dollar is still coming down actually. But I'm assuming at the start of the session it's going to go up a little bit and then continue down until we get some type of reversal pattern on the hourly and 4 hour. That's probably not going to happen today, so it should just continue down. Big moves on the dollar. Alrighty. It looks like the UCAD's still coming down. The UCAD looks like it doesn't want to be coming down. So as soon as the dollar reverses, this is going to be a really nice long. Timba T, how's it going? How's your new mouse? This new mouse is the best mouse I think I've ever had. Which is shocking because it was like 30 bucks. I think I've spent more on mouses. I spent more on mice before that were not this good. So I'm apparently a Razer fan now. Yeah, this mouse is awesome. And it looks cool. Yep, so since the dollar's coming down so heavy, very normal for gold to be going up as heavy as it is. Probably the S&P too. Not so much over here. Probably goes up today. Okay, so let's check the yens. Yeah, these have been coming down for a while. But you know the yens, they go forever. So they might continue going down. I'm not really sure though. Not sure if I'll take anything on these today. So far it's looking like the dollar pairs are going to be where it's at today. Possibly the EGBP. Okay, the GBP and Euro cross pairs are actually moving. Coming down pretty heavy. Okay. It's showing like there's a drawing on there, but it's not. There it is. Okay. All right. So far, yeah, it's looking like the dollar pairs are gonna be where it's at today. Maybe the U franc as well. It's coming down really heavy. I always get a little bit nervous when trends have been going on for like too long. You definitely want the trend to have been going on, but once it starts being a couple days, start to get a little bit hesitant. Except for the JPY pairs. Those can go on for like 2 weeks. Odd CAD and NZD CAD. Like I said, I never take trades on these. I don't even know why I have them on here. My least favorite pairs by far, these two. But I'm keeping them on there just in case one day I need to trade them for some reason. You never know. All right, kind of a slow start today. We got 17 minutes before the open. All right. Well, like I always say, every day has at least one good move to trade. At least one. So I'm on the lookout for that. I don't think it's going to be a whole lot today. It's probably going to be like 2 or 3 trades at the most. I guess we can check out my account metrics. Since it's so slow today, there's really nothing going on. I doubt I'm going to get anything before the open. Definitely doesn't look like that's going to happen. Although, this is a little tempting here. I just don't know how far it's going to go up. I think you can definitely go along here pretty safely. I don't think I'm going to do it, but let's see. 4, 12. Probably works too. A little scared on that one. I don't know about that one. It's not a bad move though. All right, I'm gonna think about it. Yeah, I'll give it a minute. I'm not convinced yet, but maybe. Really quick, let me see. All right, so really quick, I'll look over my account metrics. So as you can see, the first week was super good. Made it all the way up to $3,034.34. And that day, I forget what day that was. The 9th. I think it was Monday. I was trying those compound trades and ended up being a really bad day. Went way down, and now I'm back to like minus 3K. I'm not in like a terrible place, but I don't know how this stuff flies in here. Alright, sorry. A little mosquito or something. Yeah, start off really good. The main issue here, it was 11 trades. I have a max trades of 6, and I took 11. I'm gonna get this damn mosquito. Ah! There we go. All right, anyways. I went way over my max daily trades here. Went way over my personal max daily loss. The max daily loss FTMO gives you is way too high at 5,000. It should be more like 3,500 at the absolute most. That means you took a compound trade and it failed, and then you failed 5 other trades. So I really shouldn't be taking more than 6 trades. I went over there as well, and I went over here as well. So I'm taking too many trades this week, and that's why my performance is not as good. I need to go back to how I was trading on week 1. 2 trades, 5 trades, 1 trade, 3 trades, 2 trades. That's much better. So I've had some good trades though. My worst one was probably this one. Way too much. So yeah, I need to get back to how I was trading week 1 and stop with the craziness. Okay, now I think I'm gonna take it. Okay, actually I'm gonna take this. All right. So this is a nice EMA pullback here. Now I am taking this before the open, so I might just go for 2%. I put the take profit at 3, just in case it just this pair is very prone to like super quick moves, so there's a possibility it just pops up there. I'll leave it at 3 just in case that happens, but if it goes up to 2 and it looks like it's not going to go any further, I'll just take it at 2. Yeah, take profit looks a little bit iffy, but it should go above this. But this is definitely a pretty solid level it would have to break through. But just based off the hourly chart, it should go up there. And the other level is up here. So I doubt it's gonna... Yeah, it doesn't even need to get that far. So yeah, it's definitely possible for it to go there. We'll see what happens. That would be a really good start if I do get it. And once again, this is a EMA pullback to the 21 on the hourly chart. The best kind of trade. The best. Visible ID, you said, have you only done challenges and funding with FTMO? 10% seems like able to make it. Let's see. I think so, actually. I think FTMO might be the only prop firm I've worked with. I've used my own funding before. But the amount of funding I had was not nearly, it's not 100K or 200K or anything like that. So, you know, working with a prop firm is just, you know, you get funding way faster, way easier than putting up your own money. I don't have 100K of my own money to use for trading. So that's why I work with the prop firm. So yeah. I did a lot of research. I looked around. FTMO has a good track record. I haven't seen really anything negative about them. And you know, they've made a lot of changes too. They've added in the 14-day extension plus the free retake. I figured out a way to do it. I've passed it either 10 or 11 times now. And like I said, I lost a couple of those accounts, but you know, it's not really that hard as long as you stick to the plan. You see, I was going off script, taking 11 trades in a day and stuff like that. As long as I follow my own plan, everything is good. So that was my own fault. The stress level is at a maximum this week with all this new job stuff going on. So kind of let that get to me a little bit. Yeah, it's really possible these yens keep going down. So maybe I'll get into something here. Definitely have to wait until after the open though. This long looks pretty decent too, except for the daily chart. It doesn't look all that great. So like I was saying earlier, I probably skipped that one. All right, so far it's looking pretty good. All right, got 3 minutes before the open. Quick bathroom break. You guys know I drink a lot of water. I'll be right back. Oh, damn, I missed it. Okay. The open is here. I'm cool with this trade here for now. I don't see anything else yet. This is half decent here, but not really. So I'm gonna skip. I'm gonna wait for this to. I'll wait on that one. This one looks all right though. The U Frank is pulling back too. Somebody get in on that one, possibly. I want to pull up a little bit more, pull back a little bit more. If it goes to the 21, I'm getting in for sure. Okay. It looks like this is not going to pull back. It's just going to continue down. It's not solid enough for me to actually get into it, I don't think. So if it gives me some type of pullback later, definitely I'll short this. It's a good move down. But yeah, for now, this is the only one I see. Yeah, I had a feeling it'd be a slow day today. You can usually tell in the beginning. I should still be able to get like 2 trades though. Yeah, what might end up happening is I'll get stopped out and it immediately goes back up, which is gonna make me really mad. But it's definitely a possibility. I don't want to move the stop any though. Like right at the 21. Yeah, something tells me it's gonna do that. It's gonna like pop right through there and then go right back up. Okay, maybe not. Maybe I got lucky. I really don't want to move the stop. But I probably do need to move it like to here. Here. Give it some room. But I'm not going to do that. If it stops me out, I might re-enter later. Just depending on what happens. And yeah. Might actually even be able to short this here. A little bit risky, but I think it's worth it. The stop is so tight. I'm gonna try it out. Am I? Let's see. That's if the EGBP goes up. It's gonna go up fast. That's gonna push this down really fast too. It's kind of overextended. Had to be really good timing. And that has to actually happen too. This has to go up. That might be too risky. Nah, that's too risky. Oh shit. Okay, I might have missed my opportunity here. It happened too fast. Yeah, it happened too fast. Well, another one here. Yeah, this might actually go up. This might end up going up for a little bit. Dollar might end up possibly going up for a little bit. Super heavy downtrend though. It's kind of risky to do anything like that, but it is kind of overextended too. But probably will go back up for a little bit. Oh man, missed it. Should have went for it. That's okay. I'm still in here. I'm still thinking about that short here. think it's just too late though. Now it's like 10. If I'd have got it at 4, then that would have been fine, because that would have been right here. This is probably about to go to right now. I just missed that one. Akshay Deswal, have you had any withdrawals from FTMO? One of your videos says you passed the challenge 10 times. Yes, I passed the challenge 10 or 11 times. No withdrawals from FTMO. So I've made money on my regular accounts. From the prop firms, no. Like I said, I lost a couple accounts with them. So we're getting to the point where I'll be able to not only get the maximum amount of fundings to 400k with them, and I figured out how to make a consistent profit now. So like I said, I think by October I should be able to do that. Yeah, like a lot of other people, I was thinking I could, be a full-time trader in 2 years or 3 years, something like that. More like 4 years, which is still fine. Who's making $8,000 a month or more after 4 years doing anything else? Probably nobody. Maybe tech people. Even I don't think they're making that much. Yeah, everybody's journey will be different. Me, I actually learned the technical skills faster, and the discipline is what I had to work on. But the technical part I got down pretty quick. Visible ID, you said, do you have a profit target once you're funded, or can you withdraw any amount? You can withdraw any amount. It could be $1, I guess. Whatever you made during that period. They do either 2-week periods or 1-month periods, or you can leave it in there and continue trading it. You don't have to withdraw from there. So it's up to you how you want to do it. But yeah, like I keep telling people, there's no point in having a funded account if you're not already consistent at trading. You have to be able to be consistent for basically an entire month, or at least 2 weeks. Damn, I was right. Knew it. I should have did it. Yeah, I was right on that one. I might be able to catch this. I don't know about this one. This is at a double bottom on the hourly, so probably not that. I might be able to catch this on the way back down though. Man, that's another thing I can't stand when I'm right and I don't take the damn trade. That is the worst. That was $600 I missed right there. Yeah, that's the worst. There's a couple things that like really irritate me about trading. Stuff like that, missing moves that you know were gonna happen. Getting stopped out by like 2 pips and then it goes through right after. It's another big pet peeve of mine. Happens a lot too. Yep. Damn, I could have even gotten 800. We'll see how far this goes. This is all being driven by this here. So this is a super heavy downtrend the dollar's in, but it's also like way further down than it should be. But it can't possibly reverse yet. So it's gonna have to come up and come back down at least one more time. Okay, I got a bunch of potential moves coming up. I can go long on either one of these two or these two. I wouldn't short this one because like I said, this is a double bottom on the hourly chart. But I could go short here. Wanted to come up to at least this level here. And I'll think about shorting it if it makes it that far. Visible ID, you said tech guys can make 6 figures, 8,000-ish per month. I was making that after 18 months of IT back in the early 2000s, and in the right industries, tech guys can come out making mid 100s today. Yeah, I think the tech industry, couple areas in finance too. As far as like 4-year degrees or less that can make decent money, but like nurses have like a longer schooling program. Obviously doctors are in school forever. Oh shit. Okay, looks like I will lose this one here, and I hope I'm not right about this, but something tells me it's gonna go right to here and then go right back up. That's what I'm expecting to happen, which is gonna make me want to throw my mouse out of the window. Yeah, tech is definitely where it's at if you want the big dollars for not too much school. But yeah, back to my original point though. okay, that's like 2 or 3 industries, 2 or 3 jobs where you can actually do that. There's not much else where you can work at it for 4 years and then make like 8 to 10 grand every month. So trading, you know, if it takes you 3 or 4 years to get it down, it's not bad at all. And this is a job where you have no boss, no coworkers. You can't get fired. You can't get, you know, nothing can happen to you. Make your own schedule, short hours. You can do it from anywhere. I mean, there's a lot of other benefits to learning how to trade as well. Oh, is it gonna do it? Is it gonna stop me out and then go right back up? Oh my god, I'm gonna be so mad. Oh, this week, man, let me tell you. Tiger, how's it going? Man, this week is just kicking my ass. Just stupid stuff like this. Miss one good trade. The trade I'm in gets stopped out by 1 pip, goes through right after. A good trade will go like right up to the take profit and then fail. Like that's been this week. Last week was so buttery and smooth. I don't know about on time. You know, it's 12:30. Market opens at 12. You know. I'm glad you made it though. It's the next one I'm looking at. But we'll see how far it goes up. Once it puts in like a big red bar, that's when I'll get in. Yeah, the way everything's been going this week is making me like hesitant to take trades. But I don't want to do that either. I gotta continue trading normally. Okay, I guess I can try it now. Possibly too early. Nah, I think it's too early. I don't know. I don't know about this one. All right, here's what I'll do. I'll wait for the bar to form and I'll do a sell stop and just make it much safer that way. So I don't get screwed over for no reason. All right, so let's go ahead and get that ready. So 6, 18. Okay, I'll do it. All right, yeah, we'll do the sell stop. Yeah, I gotta start using more sell stops actually. Okay. There is the safe professional way to do it. You don't get stopped out for no reason. And the only downside is you have to use a little bit bigger of a stop loss, because you have to factor in the spread on both sides, on the stop loss and the take profit, or sorry, the stop loss and the entry. So that's the only downside to the stop orders, and it takes a little bit longer too. Okay. Still got my eye on this one here. Waiting for it to go back up. Click on the odd NZD. But yeah, I'm not gonna take this one today. It's just too risky. Okay. Green bar looks like it's forming here. So I might go for the re-entry on that one. Maybe. Okay, so this trade ended up triggering over here. Okay, see, that was the super safe way, just in case it wanted to go all the way up here. I wouldn't get stopped out for no reason. Now, there's still a chance that it could go back up above it, but it's a much lower chance of that happening. And I'm waiting on this one here. Need at least one green bar before I do anything. And I'll probably go with the stop order here too. Just to be on the safe side. Yeah, that's another thing I'm thinking about, just removing out of my, or adding into my trading plan. No moving stops at all. If you have to re-enter, just re-enter. I've had like more loss than gains as far as moving stops. It does work sometimes, but I think overall it's not the way to go. So you got to re-enter into it. That's fine. That's probably what's going to happen right here with this EGBP. Yeah, especially when you're compounding on that second or third compound trade, you definitely can't move the stop because it's like super concentrated. You got so much extra money on that trade. That's what messed me up on Monday. All right, so we got one green bar here. Wait for a little bit more of a confirmation. Man, that is the worst. Stopped out by how many pips was that? Stopped out by 3 pips. Then it goes through right after. I tell you, man. Okay, so my Frank trade is looking really good. Moving nice and fast too. Yeah, maybe I'll go for one more. What was it? 4? No, 5. 6. Maybe I'll go for 24. Which is really 25 is the spread. Yeah, might as well. Look how fast it's coming down. Alright, so I'll go for 4% on that one. That's $800. And then I don't know if I want to jump in this now. I'll wait for like a double bottom. It should come down at least one more time. So I'm gonna wait for that. It should give me a better entry. Or not. I might just completely miss it. Okay. Okay. Forex gods are effing with me this week. Being tested by the Lord. Yeah, it's actually still not good enough to get into though. I really do need like a double bottom or something comparable. I probably could go for 1,000 here. I'll take the 800 though. I don't want to get too greedy. So this, if this does go through, it'll put me at plus 500 since I lost that other one. So not bad. At least I'll have a profit. Unlike, you know, yesterday and the day before. This will be my first day this week with a profit. Be sure to hit the like button if you're enjoying the stream, the channel, the videos. Yeah, this is a really good move here. This is one of the better trades from this week. Really high volume too. Good overall. Got the dollar coming down in his favor too. I believe the franc is going up as well. Yep. Yeah, this is pretty much a perfect trade. Franc is going up, dollar's coming down. It's in a heavy trend. Perfect, perfect, perfect. The chance of this failing is very low. Okay. I could get into this now. At least like recoup the loss from earlier. Not super fantastic either though. Not bad, but not great. I barely get 2 out of it. I don't know. I bet it works though. I'm not gonna take it, but I bet it works. All right, gotta grab some more water. Be right back. Ready. Yeah, it looks like this is gonna work. It's okay. I'll miss it. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. I have to train myself to not get mad at these types of things. I'm way better than I used to be. I used to get really mad. I used to get super mad at that kind of stuff. I used to feel like somebody was personally taking money out of my pocket. Like somebody tried to rob me or something. That's how mad I would get before. Now it's like, all right, I'm gonna make it back anyway. It's okay. It's okay. So if this trade goes through, which it looks like it will, it's a cool 800. Put me at +5 for the day. Not too bad, and I should be able to get at least one more. Yeah, hopefully I can find one more. Might be able to get like another 400, maybe 600 on top of that. That put me about 1,000 for the day. Not too shabby. Actually did get a little pullback here. It's still not that good. I'm gonna skip that one. I'm not gonna do that one. Man, what's happening over here? And I can't move this stop to break even either. There's a possibility it comes back up and then comes back down. It probably just goes through now though. It did make it to 3%. I just want to note that. So that's right now 600 and some change. But yeah, it should keep going. It's got about 8 pips to go. Okay, it's actually gonna be a little bit more than 800. Maybe like 880 or 900. If this shit reverses on me, I'm throwing my computer out the window. Going right out that window. Okay, this one actually came down. So if it does come down to here, then I might get into it. Yeah, it's almost impossible for this trade to fail. Really. Like I said, the chance of this failing is really low. And honestly, I could probably move the take profit down even further. I'm going to leave it where it is, but I'm just saying I could probably get even more. It just might take forever. But yeah, 125, I'm out of here because I wake up early. So I'll stay on for like 10 more minutes. Hopefully this goes through by then. Another crazy day tomorrow. On Friday. Okay, I get to relax a little bit on Friday. And this weekend is nothing. So I'll at least get the rest on the weekend. Yeah, this week has been super crazy. Hectic. If I see another trade for 125, I'll take it. If not, I'm okay with the 500 or whatever I'll end up making off this one, including that loss from earlier. Man, the EGBP came down hard. Oh. No, don't do it. Don't do it. Just the meltdown over here. Where is this going? Okay, I might actually be able to get a long trade out of this still. Let me take all these off. Yeah, long trade is still possible here. I'll keep an eye on it. That might be the other trade I take. Oh my goodness. Bruh. Oh. Oh my goodness. What is going on this week? Why? Why am I being tortured? Okay. I'm starting to form into something. Yeah, like I was saying, this move here has like a 85-90% chance of going through. I'm just gonna let it do its thing. My greed demon is saying to move to take profit 1 more percent. Since I had to wait, I might as well get another percentage out of it. Nah, I'll leave it where it is. It's getting kind of overextended now. All right, here we go. Hopefully it goes through here. It is 125. Supposed to be going on my way here. People having fun on the road today. I don't know if you guys can hear that. I wonder what kind of car that was. Oh yeah. Playlist ended. Let's see. I'll find a similar. Okay. Yeah, I think this is the only trade I'll take. I don't know if I'm gonna get into that EGBP one. I think I'll skip that one. A little worried because honestly it should have went through already. Just based off of this coming down so hard. Of course, if I take it early, it's gonna go through like right after. So I'll just let it run. Let it run. Be right back. Give me a second. He still hasn't gone through. Damn. That's I could take it now, but I'd be losing. $240. Nah, it looks like it'll go through. Hopefully. Six pips away. And this entry is forming here too. Got the 2 green bars. I just have to wait for it to finish forming. I'll hop in there too, if it's a solid green bar. Okay, here we go. Come on, a little further. A little further. 3 more pips. Don't do me. Two pips, come on. Oh, this is way more than 800. Like 1,000. Yeah, since they took the dollar amount off the take profit, I don't even know how much I'm making on these trades until they go through. It's all crazy with the commissions, and then the different pairs have different pip values and stuff. So I mean, there's really no way to know for sure. Go, 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 go. I do have the entry here too. I want to take it. Probably should. 5, 6, 12, yeah. And I'll take this one as well. was a little late on that entry. $65.5. Okay. So that'll recoup that loss that I had on there earlier. Hopefully. I don't think I want to go for more than that. A little bit risky. Oh my God, this is, man, this better not happen to me. It'll touch up to my damn take profit and then reverse. It better not do that today. So if both these go through, it'll be an $1,100 day, and that's with the loss included. So finally a good day this week. Alrighty. So it looks like it is 1,000 or close to it. Come on, what is going on? Oh, thank goodness. Okay. Won the damn trade finally. All right. That one was successful. Fantastic. Got this one going on. That's gonna be all for today. Let me take a quick look around, make sure. Yeah, I think that's all I'm taking today. All right, so we got this EGBP long trade. Another EMA pullback. It went a little bit past the EMA, but still a really good trade. Should go through. Hope you guys enjoyed the stream. Hit the like button if you did. Like I said, I won't be able to do a recap tomorrow. It's just a little bit too crazy of a day. Edvin Hasso. This is a challenge account. Alrighty, so I will see you guys tomorrow night, 11:30 Pacific time. Later.